Buzzy B. Kids TV.
Hi all! Today we will learn about the domestic animals. So, there are 8 types of domestic animals, and they are cat, goat, rabbit, dog, sheep, horse, cow, and camel. Okay then, let's go. Hi, hello. This is domestic animal, cat. Next, domestic animal is goat. Next, domestic animal is rabbit. Then, another domestic animal is dog. Then, another domestic animal is sheep. Next, the domestic animal is horse. Next, the domestic animal is cow. And last, the domestic animal is